All right, so you're interested in 55 and older communities. Well, today we're going to be heading over to one of the nicest, most unique, most well-manicured 55 and older communities I have ever experienced. Let's go check it out right now. Hey guys, I'm Elliot with Myrtle Beach area. Be sure to click that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell because I make videos every week about what it's like to live, work, and play here in the Myrtle Beach area. Today we are at Lakeside Crossing, one of the nicest, most well-groomed, well-manicured, well-appointed 55 and older communities in the area. Just a hop, skip, and a jump from downtown Conway near the waterfront. Also right next to several golf courses in the Conway area, and literally only 15 minutes from Myrtle Beach and the ocean. Now, like I said, Lakeside Crossing is basically a maintenance-free community, which is one of the things that attracts people to it, because in a 55 and older community, which a lot of people come down here from up north and they're ready to retire, they don't want any maintenance. So they pressure wash the houses, they do the edging in your yard, they actually mow your grass. So you don't have to lift a finger if you want to. You just pay your monthly lot lease and you're good to go. And like I said, you've got access to all these resort style amenities. Now, Lakeside Crossing was developed in the 2000s, 350 original home sites, and they added about 50 more home sites in 2015. So a total of about 400 home sites, and these home sites, a lot of them are right on the water. There's several lakes in here, which they also have several docks. They have places where you can take your paddle boat, take a little boat out, you can go fishing, what have you. And some of the lots back up to the woods, and some of them are just really nicely landscaped. Like I was saying, 55 and older community, that's what they like to do. They like to take care of their yards. Everybody's real friendly. They'll say hi to you. Just a great place to be. You've got to check this place out. Okay, now here at Lakeside Crossing, you've got 2-bedroom homes, you've got 3-bedroom homes, and they are just absolutely over the top when it comes to upgrades. You can tell by the listing I'm getting ready to feature in this video, has quartz countertops, tile backsplash, all stainless appliances, huge front porch with dual fans. And remember, with the land lease, you've got access to the multi-million-dollar rec facility. I mean, and there's an activities director over here full-time. You've got a 25,000 square foot gym facility. Like I said, you've got banquet facilities. If you want to throw a big party, you've got a lounge. They have happy hour every day. I mean, tennis courts, indoor, outdoor pool, hot tub, jacuzzi. They have got it all. Now today we're going to be featuring one of my listings, which is located at 4005 Bubeck Drive. Once again, that's 4005 Bubeck Drive, and it's like a lot of the homes in here that are waterfront, several lakes, hence the name Lakeside Crossing. You've got docks, you've got boating privileges, you can go on the paddle boat, there's several docks. It's just an awesome place to be. And the home sites that are not located on the water, a lot of them are backed up to woods, and some of them just have really nice landscaping. And you know, the 55 and older community loves to manicure their yard and keep it nice and neat. So everybody seems to be really friendly over here. As I'm driving through, everybody wants to stop and talk. They like to wave. Just a really cool place to be. Now, Lakeside Crossing is located just outside of downtown Conway, literally a hop, skip, and a jump from historic downtown Conway, where you've got the Riverwalk, all the little shops and restaurants, and you're literally 15 minutes from the beach. 15 minutes to Myrtle Beach, 15 minutes to the ocean, so it's a great location. All right, so just to sum it up, Lakeside Crossing, age restricted, 55 and over, one of the most unique, safest, friendliest, convenient, maintenance-free places that I have ever heard about And trust me, I've heard about a lot of places in the real estate business. You need to check this place out. If you're looking for a place you can make friends, the perfect place. If you're looking for a place where you can be by yourself and just go sit in a swimming hole, fishing hole, you're in the right place. So, if you want to know more about Lakeside Crossing, Conway Real Estate, Myrtle Beach Real Estate, if you're looking to live here, move here, invest here, buy a home, sell a home, what have you, don't hesitate. Pick up the phone and call me, text me, or email me anytime. All my contact info's below. Remember, if you want to sell it, call Elliot.